Hey guys, Chris here, and yeah, I decided to upgrade my iPhone 10 as I said I wasn't too sure on, and did a few videos on whether you should or not. So stay tuned to see what I went with. Okay, so as I said in previous videos, I was gonna do my girlfriend needed a new phone, and so she's kind of wanting the iPhone 10 for a little bit, so we weren't sure whether to get the iPhone 11, which is a really good purchase. I think it's a great price, but I didn't want to go back to the non-OLED screen. So after much deliberation and looking at a couple of other reviews from like MKBHD and Jonathan Morrison and things, I pulled the trigger and I bought the iPhone Pro 11. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing, and then in a couple of weeks I'll let you know my thoughts and conclusions on the phone. But I thought, let's just do a very quick unboxing and show you what you get. Obviously, I'm in the UK, so actually this will be a little bit different from a lot of the reviews you get at the unboxings, because this will have the UK plug, the UK fast charging plug, the 18-watt one. So let's get opening. I've not even looked at this myself, so I've set up another camera over here. Hopefully that'll help with the shots, but very Apple-esque as usual. In the matte black packaging with iPhone written. If you can see that in the dark green as well, the midnight green as it's called. I bought the 256 model in midnight green just because I wanted something a little bit different. So let's open it, and as usual, very clean on the top, very pristine. Let's take it out. Oh, and actually the back's completely open this time. Nothing on it at all, just on the front, which says Apple Inc. 1 part Cupertino on the standard. There we go, very cool. The iPhone 11, sorry, Pro Max. So I'll put the phone down there, which is actually the good bit, but we'll put that over there. And then you get your standard Apple paperwork here, with your Apple stickers and all the usual, and your key, the SIM card ejector, which I'll be using in a second to change over from my 10. Let's leave that over there. The really rubbish lightning, I don't even know why they do these anymore. Does anyone actually use these? Let me know in the comments below if you use these. I've got about 4 or 5 packs of them. I actually have one in my drawer at work for emergencies if my AirPods run out of charge or I completely forget the dongles, but I don't use that anymore. But the new exciting stuff is the 18-watt plug, which actually these are really cool. I've already got 2 of them because we have 2 iPad Pros in the house, the new ones. So this will be a nice addition to that. But in the UK, what I love about these is they're very, very small, a lot cleaner than the American ones. And basically, they're a latch, so they're really nice and clean to put away the plugs and the connector pins and throw it in your bag. Really cool. And obviously USB-C at the bottom, because we now have a Lightning to USB-C cable in the box. Now, this is something new for me. I haven't had one of these before. I've got some third-party ones, but nothing really major. So let's see how well these do, because a lot of people have issues with these kind of bending and tearing, but I haven't had any issues with any of my Lightning cables in the past, so we'll just have to see. So that is literally it. Very minimalistic packaging, very clean as usual from Apple. So it's literally just the phone, the cable, and the plug. And don't really care about those or the packaging. So yeah, I'll get this set up and I'll let you know how I get on. Peace.